how to add or change your location on REDnote. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add or change your location on the REDnote app. And without further ado, let's get started. So start by opening the REDnote app and make sure that you are logged in to your account. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile page, simply tap on the button labeled Edit Profile. Now, in the Edit Profile section, you can simply tap on Location. After that, simply tap on Location again. And now you can choose your location by simply selecting your country and then city from the option. It's as simple as that. And once you're done selecting, simply tap on the Confirm button shown in the top right corner. After that, tap on Save. And there you have it. Adding or changing a location on REDnote app is quick and easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.